Today we started a new vocab. The topic is weather. So if you have the paper, I'm just going to break it down into chunks. First, we started with weather. There's many different options you can see for weather, so it really just kind of depends on the person you're signing with and maybe how your instructor taught you. I tend to use weather. That's how I learned it. Weather's always changing, it's always turning, and that's the sign it comes from, to change, weather. But you might see it weather or weather, not initialized. The next sign, also the same sign for cold. Next, the sign for with that sign, you can change the way you sign it based on what it looks like outside. Is the snow blowing hard? Use your facials. Is it coming down lightly? Okay. Is it really windy, snowstorm? Reflect that with your facials and in the way that you sign the sign for snow. And last sign, again, same idea, same concept. Depending on what it's doing outside, reflect that in your facial expressions and in the way the sign is signed. Right? Maybe the rain is accompanied with the wind, so the rain's coming down at a diagonal versus okay. Let's review.